Welcome dear children. Subject General Science Standard 7th. Chapter number 6 Measurement of Physical Quantities Part 1. Now, what do you mean by measurement? Measurement means which can be measured. Like we measure lots of things. We use centimeter, gram, kilogram, liter, etc. This all are the measurement. What are physical quantities? Now take an example, the length of a stick. So the length is the physical quantities. Volume of a water, here volume is a physical quantities. So we are going to learn topic physical quantities, scalar quantities, vector quantities, mass, weight, standardized measurement and prevailing system of measurement. Observe and discuss. How are the various articles and materials shown in the picture measured? Vegetables are weighed in gram and kilogram. The spool of thread has thread which is measured in meters. The bunch of a leafy green vegetable are measured in number 1 bunch, 2 bunch. Milk is measured in liters. There is a diamond in the gold ring. The purity of gold is measured in carats. 24 carats means 100% pure gold. In case of diamond, carat is the measure of a mass of diamond. 1 carat diamond is equal to 0.20 gram or 200 milligram. And the cloth is measured in meters. So, here are the different ways in which we can measure. In our daily life, measurement is very important and useful. Without measurement, we cannot get exactness of any unknown quantity. For example, the amount of sugar needed for a cup of tea or the amount of rice to cook the food. These all are measured in our daily life. Physical quantities. Physical quantities are the quantities such as mass, weight, distance, speed, temperature, volume, etc. A value and a unit are used to express the magnitude of a physical quantity. Physical quantities. Example: mass, length, time, temperature and weight. Here are the examples given of physical quantities. A physical property that can be measured and described by number is called physical quantity. Example: mass of a person is 65 kg. Length of a table is 3 meter. Area of a hall is 100 square meter. Temperature of a room is 300 K. In our daily life, we measure many things such as the weight of the fruits, vegetables, food grains, temperature of the body or some liquid, volume of a liquid, density of various substances, the speed of a vehicle, etc. Quantities such as mass, weight, distance, speed, temperature, volume are called as a physical quantities. Example: Swarali walks 2 km every day. So here 2 is the value, kilometer is unit. So value and unit are used to express magnitude of a distance. So distance is a physical quantity. Non-physical quantity, something that cannot measure, are not taken as physical quantity like sadness, anger, happiness, joy and excitement. Physical quantity are of two types: scalar and vector quantities. Scalar quantity that has size, vector quantity that has size and direction. The length of the arrow in a drawing shows its size. The head shows the direction of the vector. Example of scalar: distance, mass, speed. Example of vector: displacement, weight and velocity. So here you can see the displacement and distance. 100 km per hour is a scalar. 100 km per hour south, that is vector. Scalar quantity, a quantity that can be completely expressed by its magnitude alone, is called scalar quantity. Only magnitude, that is value with a unit, is used to express quantities such as a length, breadth, area, mass, temperature, density, time, work, etc. Scalar quantity example: length of a tunnel is 2 km. So here 2 is the value and kilometer is a unit. The fever is 101 degree Fahrenheit. So here 101 degree is value and Fahrenheit is a unit. Vector quantity, the quantity that is expressed completely only when magnitude and direction are both given, is called vector quantity. Displacement, velocity are the vector quantity. For example, a displacement of 20 km towards the north. So here 20 is your value, kilometer is your unit and direction is north. Second example is aeroplane flying at a velocity of 500 km per hour towards Mumbai. So here 500 is value, kilometer is unit, towards Mumbai is direction. So the quantity is expressed completely only when magnitude and direction are both given. Example: the distance of 20 km to the north and the displacement of 20 km to the east is different from each other. Here, distance is same but the direction of displacement is different from each other. Example 2. The aeroplane travelling at the speed of 500 km per hour to the north and another aeroplane travelling 500 km per hour to the east are different from each other. Here speed is same but the direction of velocity is different. So magnitude and direction both are given. So it is called as a vector quantity. Mass and weight. Mass of the substance is the amount of matter present in it, while weight is the force exerted by the gravity on an object. The mass of a substance is constant, whereas its weight may vary from one place to another due to change in gravity. The mass of a substance can be determined very accurately in the laboratory by using an analytical balance. What is mass? The quantity of matter in a body is called mass. The amount of matter present in a substance. Matter has a natural tendency to resist a change in its state, which is called as inertia. Mass is the qualitative measures of the inertia of an object. Larger the mass, the greater is the inertia. Mass is a scalar quantity. It does not change from place to place anywhere in the world. The quantities mass and weight are, however, different. Gram and kilogram are the unit of mass. Weight. The gravitational force that acts on this mass is called its weight. The gravitational force by which the earth attracts an object towards its center is called the weight of the object. Therefore, weight is a vector quantity. Weight means gravitational force. It is different at a different place on the earth. So, it is a vector quantity. It is measured in newtons, that is N. The gravitational force by which the earth attracts an object towards its center is called the weight of the object. Weight is a vector quantity. It is different at different place on the earth. Vector quantity, the quantity that is expressed completely only when magnitude and direction are both given. Example 20 km, 30 meter. Scalar quantity is a quantity that can be completely expressed by its magnitude alone, is called as a scalar quantity. Example 40 km north. Our body has weight because of the gravitational force of the earth. The gravitational force of the moon being less, our weight will turn out to be less there. Our mass, however, is the same at both the places. Further, we will learn about standardized measurement. It is not scientifically correct to measure the physical quantities without any standard method. Hence, to keep uniformity of measurement, standardized measurement methods have to be followed. For accurate and standard measurement, every physical quantity is measured in a standard and specific unit. Example, length is always measured in unit of meter, that is m. What are SI units? SI unit means Unit System International. To not create confusion, scientists all over the world agree to use one unit system. MKS system is the internationally used system and is called SI units. Physical quantities are different from each other. A specific unit is used to measure each quantity. Therefore, different units are used while measuring different quantities. Standardized measures are required for measuring things. Such measures are called standard units. We have to measure many physical quantities accurately. To measure any quantity, we use the unit specified for it. For example, the meter m is the specified unit for measuring length. Here, there are some examples of standard units of measurement. Measuring length of an object using handspan. The distance between the tip of the smallest finger and the tip of the thumb when spread is called handspan. Privileging system of measurement. MKS system. Distance is measured in meters, mass in kilograms and time in seconds according to MKS system. Distance, mass and time are considered as the fundamental quantities in MKS system of measurement. M is meter, K kilogram and S is second. CGS system. Distance is measured in centimeters, mass in grams and time in seconds in CGS system. C is centimeter, G is gram and S is second. These three quantities, distance, mass, time, are used to measure all other quantities.